Hey guys, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. So I have been crafting. I have a Anna Griffin haul that I had got in January on HSN, and a lot of the prices have already gone back up. So if I were you, if you like it, then just go to HSN and push your heart that you like it. But March 5th is their next big sale, craft day, so that's when everything will drop back down. I mean, some of the prices are 50% off, so yeah, it's worth the wait. So anyway, um I've been crafting a little, or I sampled it, but I really want to get into it and start using it a lot, and I thought, well, I'll show you what I have, and then I can store it, put it up, or start using it. So while it's still clean and fresh and organized, I'll show you. So welcome. So anyway, let's see. This is the fairy tale scene card making kit. Um, so it's very, very simple. It comes in this, the sentiments, the envelopes, and these right here. It was the easiest thing to put together, but that's what it looks like. And I have one made, and I also had a die separately that I bought, but let me show you. Uh, doesn't say how many pieces. It makes 20 cards, but it usually says with all the pieces how many it is. Makes 24 cards. So anyway, let me show you what that one of the cards look like. And the envelope is extra large, but see how it folds and expands on the side? And it has tape that you go right here, and then you put these little hook places in the paper, and there is the card. Quick and easy, just for you, and it turned out really nice and easy. So that was one of the kits I bought, and the good thing about that was I haven't had a chance to use it yet. I hope you can hear me because I'm trying to find the but also that day, here's the actual die template that comes with, that was separate to make this. And then here's directions and ideas. So I love the scroll cutout. So that was a nice buy. I think I'll really enjoy that and use it a lot. So so there's that. I haven't had a chance to use this. That's why I wanted to show it to y'all, show a haul. But see how these have the little hooks and it just hooks into the paper? I want to show it to y'all so that I can use it. So the next thing is this is the pop-up, swivel and pop-up card making kit. And it makes 20. And there's all the pieces inside. And what I went ahead and did, there's the envelopes. Here's the idea sheet. And it gives you all these flowers, one-dimensional flowers. It gives you belly bands, gives you the tags for when it pops up. I'll show you in just a second. And pop dots and sentiments for birthday. And then these are the scrolls. But I went ahead, so that I wouldn't mess up, I went ahead and put each color coordinating with the pop-up and everything. So see how this is the pop-up that goes here. And then this goes like that to pop out. I'll show you one made, but I went ahead and coordinated because if I didn't, I might have got one wrong. And here are all the base colors. Let's see, green and purple. And then this, I don't know what kind of flower that is. And then polka dot and little leaves. And then that green and yellow. And there's a pink. And there's a flower one. And there's a different flower one. But I didn't want to use the wrong color and then at the very end, my last couple of cards not coordinate. So I did do that. But let me just shove this in real fast and neatly and show you a couple of the cards that I made from the kit. So there's the belly band to hold it, and it coordinates, and then it opens. See how it opened like that? And so it came with butterflies and the scrolls and the flowers. And instead of putting a happy birthday here, because this whole thing was for birthday, I went ahead and just did the flowers, the coordinate, and another butterfly and a flower here, and then the sentiment. I went ahead so that this can be from Axel to Sarah for Mother's Day, and I'm going to get him to maybe put his fingerprint there and sign his little name. I'm not sure. And then you put the belly band back on, and here's the envelope that it comes with. So let me put that off to the side, and here's another one I made. A little note to say, and then you can write inside Happy Valentine's for these two, but most of them are for birthday. And see, then it pops open, and this can be three-dimensional here because I only put tape right down the belly, and on this one, but it gets smashed in the mail. But there's another one, and it's really cute. But the thing I love about this is that I have the die now to make this and everything. So that is the good thing. And there is a template how to do this without the die. And Glue Gun Chronicles, I'll find that template in my group. All the links are down below, and in the group I'll put that template so that everyone can make one. Let's see what else. Let's see. Here is the die. That's the pop-up to it. They came separate, and then this is the two pieces. It didn't come with the to make the card, but see, here's the information on it. But you can use up to she said what size card. I don't remember if it was 8 or 6 by 10. I don't remember the exact size card you can use the base, but I, I'll go back and watch her on HSN and see what she says, what size is the largest you can use. But there's the template for that. Okay, and then I have 2 more things to show you. So this was on clearance, and I know that there's a couple more on HSN, but this is Springtime Shaker Cards kit, and you make 30. And what I like about it is clearance, and they already have the pre-sealed little shaker. You could open it, add more color and stuff, and then reseal it. but it is springtime, so it's really Eastery, and it's last year, so there's the bunnies, the sentiments, the butterflies, and the flowers. And I like that, and here's more uh, dies, all the dies that go with it. I like that, and see, pop this out, put the bag in behind this white, then put this there, and then you take that gold and put the gold on top of that, um, underneath. But anyway, it's a shaker card. I'll show you a picture. But this was a really good buy. But what I like is that I can use it for Easter and spring. So look at all the ideas. Look, see how you pop it out, and there's the shakers and all. Isn't that so cute? I'm gonna have fun doing this, and it's so easy. So let's stick this all back in, and then I will show you one last thing. And I made a card, and I'm fixing to do a tutorial on this card right when I get done. So I bought this, and it's an easel die cut, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and my instructions. Where are they? Oh, here are the instructions. I pre-cut one so that I'll always have it to remind me. But here it is, the easel card, and you use your own paper, and you can use it over and over and over. Once the kit's gone, with these different ones, you can't reuse it. So I love having the die, and there's the instructions to layer it. But the good thing about this is, I've already made it, and it was very easy. So let me show you my samples, and then I'm going to do a tutorial right after this. So this is one, and it looks like an Anna Griffin card because I used Anna Griffin die cut 3-dimensionals on this one and on this one. The paper is, let me see, I have the paper pretty close. I cleaned up, of course, so yeah, here's the paper line. It's authentique. Paper line is let's see, the paper line is this right here. Let's see if I see a name. Authentique Cherish Collection. It says for grandparents and stuff. But here's the paper line real quick. Yeah, it just says cherished. Cherish for. I got that last year at the expo. There's an authentique booth. But the good thing about this is why I say it looks like Anna Griffin is last year or year before I bought this 120. Oh, it says stickers. Here I am putting tape on it, and that's a sticker on there. But I had all these, so I grabbed coordinating ones that would look good, and I don't see where it says the tape is on here though. Oh, it is. There you go. Okay, let me remember that. So I stuck them on, so now I know why I've been saving these. So that was nice. So yeah, here's the easel, and if you can see the dimensions on it. And look how flat it is to mail it. You wouldn't even have to add extra weight to that. So I'm glad that I have everything and I'm ready to craft and everything. So okay guys, I'm rambling. So yeah, in Glue Gun Chronicles in my group, there's getting close to 1,000 people in there, and I will put a template for the pop-up swirl because I know it's out there. I'll go find it. And I have Victorian Dreams blog on Facebook and all my links. And make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit that little bell because you never know when I'm going to make a video. I'm always behind schedule or working, and sometimes I make two and then sometimes I don't make any for 2 weeks. So anyway, yeah, life gets involved. So okay guys, thank you so much. Caring is sharing, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.